Ago, mema wakwaba battery classroom. Midende, Kwejo. What do I have for you today? For today's lesson, I call it Valentine Edition because I'm going to give you some romantic phrases that you can use for your partners during this Valentine. But before we begin, please support this channel by subscribing to this channel and also share for others to also learn Twi so you can get a lot of people to speak Twi with. Let's begin. So the first word is love. Love. And in Twi we say odo. Odo. And to love is do. Do. Then you want to say I love you. Then you say me do wo. Me do. Me do. Good. Ma fe wo. Ma feel. Ma feel. M'ani gye wo ho. M'ani gye wo ho. Or mepɛ w'asɛm. Mepɛ w'asɛm. Good. I need you. Mihia wo. Mihia wo. Makoma mu tɔfe. Makoma mu tɔfe. So together, makoma mu tɔfe. And makoma mu tɔfe, that is my sweetheart. But in Twi, literally, it means my heart inside toffee or candy. My heart inside candy or toffee. My sweetheart. Mido wiase. Mido wiase. The love of my life. The love of my life. Mido wiase. You are my world. Wo ni mi wiase. Wo ni mi wiase. Wo ni mi wiase. Ukuta makoma mu safoa. So you hold the key to my heart. Ukuta makoma mu safoa. Wo kuta makoma mu safoa. You hold the key to my heart. Don't break my heart. Mente makoma. Mente makoma. Mente makoma. Mente makoma. Don't break my heart. Don't deceive me. Men na da me. Men na da me. Men na da me. Don't deceive me. Don't betray me. Menyi mema. Menyi mema. Menyi mema. Don't betray me. Pamper me. Jeje me so. Jeje me so. Jeje me so. Beauty. Ahoɔfɛ. Ahoɔfɛ. You are beautiful. Wo ho ɔfɛ. Wo ho yɛ fɛ. Wo ho yɛ fɛ. Wo ho yɛ fɛ. You are beautiful to me. Wo ho yɛ me fɛ. Wo ho yɛ me fɛ. Kiss. Mfiano. Mfiano. Kiss me. Femano. Femano. We will end today's lesson here. I hope you have fun with these phrases. Try and practice it. Call your Ghanaian partners and express your love in Twi. Once again, please help this channel by subscribing. See you next time.